Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is another embroidery design using a normal sewing machine. If you haven't watched my previous embroidery videos, please check it out in my channel. Let's get started. To draw the design, I have attached 4 A4 size sheets together where I'm going to start to trace my design on it. I have selected a design which is bigger in size. As we are using the normal sewing machine for this embroidery, it cannot precisely fill a small design. I have chosen a flower pattern where the petals do not have a perfect specific shape and each petal is different to one another. Again, as we are using a normal sewing machine for this embroidery, there could be some imperfections, hence this design was selected. Once the design is ready, I will place tracing papers on my fabric and start tracing. Now let's turn the fabric to its reverse side and attach a stabilizer or pasting paper and press it well with iron. For the small flowers, I have selected a narrow close zigzag stitch, which is stitch number 2 in my machine. We'll leave the small flowers as simple as possible with only thread work without overdoing the design. To embroider the larger flowers, I have selected a wider close zigzag stitch, which is stitch number 5 in my machine. Once I have done the first layer of embroidery, I carefully cut only the fabric, keeping the stabilizer or the pasting paper uncut. Once it's done, I will do the second layer of embroidery again around the petals. By doing so, the raw edges of the fabric will cover up and give a neat and stronger look. Now, I should carefully cut out the stabilizer from the petals without cutting the embroidery stitches. To make it more interesting, I'm going to attach pearls as shown in the video to resemble the lines on the petals. And the final part is to cut out some cute flowers from laces and fill the mid part of the flower. And keep the petals as it is or place a contrast color fabric underneath. And this is the final look of the full design. If you enjoyed this video, Please click the like button and subscribe the channel to keep you updated about my latest creations. Stay tuned. Bye bye from Home and You.